folks, how are we all? Well, it is Tuesday and it is the turn of the farmyard ales meet. Now, as luck would have it, it's absolutely pouring down. Unbelievable. To be fair, it's not been too bad all day. Hopefully it'll hold off, but needless to say, it hasn't done. Anyway, so I'm on my way there now. Don't know how many are going to be there. Like I say, it is the first one, so it might be a little bit of a quieter affair. Plus the weather's going to probably put quite a lot off, but who knows. Anyway, I am now on my way to one of the pubs to meet up with the rest of our gang, and hopefully we'll be able to get some nice shots of the cars that are there, if there is any there. Anyway, I'll catch up with you in a bit. See you later. of it, guys. The Farmyard Ales meet. In fairness, the weather didn't really do us many favours tonight. After I'd started filming, there was a fair few of the older boys decided to call it a night and leave, which is a bit of a shame. But we are only in April. The weather forecast wasn't the greatest, and to be fair, it wasn't. But never mind. Usually, when we've been there in the past, over the summer months, it's absolutely stunning. There's some really, really, really nice motors that arrive. There's a lot of vintage cars, a lot of vintage bikes as well. A lot of modern stuff turns up. But yeah, Farmyard Ales, if you're ever out this way, look them up. Really, really nice, really friendly, great selection of ales on there as well. But yeah, I think we'll write tonight's off. Anyway, I shall sign out. See you later, guys.